Simple probability. Almost daily, we hear someone saying the probability of whether something will happen or not. We can give a value to the chance of any of these outcomes or events happening is called the probability. So, in simple terms, we can say probability of an event will be equal divided by total outcome. Now, when we are tossing a dice, the outcomes which we can get are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are called as outcomes. Now, in this even numbers, if you take, even numbers are 2, 4, and a 6. So these are all favorable for us. So now, probability of an even number. Favorable is how many? 1, 2, 3. Favorable is 3. And total is outcome is 6. So it will be equal to half. Some of the points which we need to remember in probability are probability of a certainty, certain. Probability that the event will happen for sure, that will be equal to 1. The probability of getting a number which is less than 6 is for sure any one of the numbers will be lesser than 6. So we'll be taking that certain. It is going to happen for sure. Probability of certain is 1. Probability of impossible. That is, this event will not happen. Impossible is 0. The next, this is the first, this is the second. Then the third one is probabilities always lie between 0 and 1. 0 less than or equal to a probability will be less than or equal to 1. That is, probability answers will always be fractions or decimals. We cannot have negative numbers. Negative numbers we cannot have in probability. Only fractions are decimal. Your answer cannot be more than 1 as well. So these are the 3 things which you need to keep in mind when you get your answers for probability. The first question, the numbers 1 to 20 are each written on a card. The 20 cards are mixed together. One card is chosen at random from the pack. Find the probability that the number on the card is A, even, B, a factor of 24, C, a prime number. Now let us see how to solve this question. From 1 to 20, even numbers will be 12. Even numbers are 12. Probability of even. Favorable outcome is 10 and the total is 20. So it is 1 over 2. B. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. All these numbers are 7. So probability of factors of 24 will be 7 over 20. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are 2, 3. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so we are not writing 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. So these are all 8 numbers. So probability of prime equal to 8 over 20. That will be equal to 2 over 5. Second question. A black die and a white die are thrown at the same time. Display all the possible outcomes Find the probability of obtaining a total of 5, B, a total of 11, C, a 2 on a black die, and a 6 on a white die. The second question, probability of total 5. The numbers we have are 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, then 4, 1, 1, 4. So total of 4 possibilities. Favorable outcomes are 4. And 6 or 6, 36 will be the total outcome. So it will be 4 over 36. So it is 1 over 9. Probability of total 11. 11 will give only, this is for the first question. 11 will be 5, 6 and 6, 5. So it is only 2. 2 over 36. So it is 1 over 18. Then probability of 2 on black and 6 on white. That will be only one black will have 2. In the same way, only one 6 will have a, only one white will have a 6. So it will be only one outcome, favorable outcome. So 1 over 36. Third question, a bag contains 6 red balls and 4 green balls. A, find the probability of selecting at random. First one, a red ball. Second, a green ball. B, one red ball is removed from the bag. Find the new probability of selecting at random. First one, a red ball. Second one, a green ball. Now let us see how to solve this question. Red, 6 balls are there in red, and the green is 4. So for the first A part, first question, probability of red. 6 red are there and the total is 10. So it will be 3 over 5. Then the next one is second part, green. Equal to 4 green are there, total is 10. So it is 2 over 5. Now in this second part of the question, B part, red is removed. Red removed. So one red removed. So what happens to red? So now red will be equal to only 5 and the total will be 9. So therefore, first part, probability of red will be 5 over 9. Second part, probability of green will be equal to 4 over 9. Now question 4. One letter is selected at random from the word unnecessary. Find the probability of selecting A an R, B an E, C an O, D a C. Fourth question, we are using the term unnecessary. UNNECSSARY. Total of 11 alphabets are there. Total is 11. Probability of an R. Only one R is there, so it is 1 over 11. Then probability of a E. 2 E's are there, so it is 2 over 11. Probability of a O. There are no O's in there, so it will not happen, so it is a 0. Then probability of a C. C is also 1, so it is 1 over 11. 3 letter cards are put in a bag. Mathematical. A part. Lee takes a letter card at random. What is the probability he takes a letter A? What is the probability he does not take a letter A? Ziad picks an M and keeps it. Tasnim now takes a letter from those remaining. First part, what is the probability she takes a letter A? What is the probability she does not take a letter A? Now we have mathematical. Total of 12 letters are there. So now the first part, probability of A. 3 A's are there, so it is 3 over 12. So it is 1 over 4. The second part, probability of not A. So leaving out A, if we count it, it will come as 9. You can also do it as 1 minus probability of selecting a A. So it is 1 minus probability of A is 1 over 4. So it will give us 3 over 4. Now the B part, M is removed. M is removed. Therefore, total equal to 11. Now, probability of A will be, now 3 are there, 3 over 11. Probability of not A will be 1 minus 3 over 11. So it will be equal to 8 over 11. 2 dice are thrown. Find the probability of getting A. 2 threes, exactly 1 3, at least 1 3, and no threes. Now we have drawn a probability distribution. In this, total will be equal to 36. 2 threes are there. Where do we have 2 threes? Only one outcome is there. So probability of 2 threes will be equal to only 1 over 36. This is our A. Then the B part. Exactly 1 3. So all these branches has got 1 3. So we leave out this exactly 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be probability of exactly 1, 3. So it is 10 over 36. So it is 5 over 18. Then the C part of it is at least 1 3. If it is 1 3 or both 2 3s, everything we need to calculate. So it is 11 over 36. Now, probability of no 3. No 3 when you take, it will be 25 will be there. So it is 25 over 36. I hope you all have understood to solve this simple probabilities. Thank you.